Hey everybody, welcome back to the Photog experience. And on today's episode, I'm going to go over and review the Movo Video Kit 1. Stay tuned. So this is not an unboxing video. I've already done an unboxing of this product. I'll go ahead and leave that in the iCard above. But I am going to show you kind of what's in the package, what's in this neat little case. You should know already what's in this pouch. If you haven't watched that video already, this is the Movo VXR10. I want to go ahead and leave my review of that in the iCard above as well. I definitely think you need to check that out. This is a great mic. So with this particular product, it's called the Video Kit 1. It is basically the ultimate hassle-free vlogging system that just packs a powerful punch. So when you get this nice little pouch. You can open it up, and inside is where the magic happens. Alright, so inside you have a Movo small LED light, a Movo phone clamp. What's really cool, it has a level on there, a bunch of different 1/4-20 areas to mount this on a tripod. You have the top, the back, or the bottom. And it also has a cold shoe. Now it comes with a hand grip. This thing is super tiny, and I'll kind of go over that, what I recommend about this a little later. A cold shoe extender. Now this isn't a must, you don't have to have this. It all depends on what configuration you want for your vlog setup. Wrist strap, and what's super cool, a Bluetooth trigger. So in the pouch, of course, you get the beautiful VXR10, and it comes with this dead cat. But here's a VXR10 if you haven't seen it before. Also comes with the TRS cable, which is for cameras, and the TRS cable, which is what we're going to be using for our smartphone. Now, as of right now, I am recording on my Canon Rebel T5i. Now, once I get all this set up and kind of show you what it looks like, I will switch to this to show you how far you can hold it out and everything like that, and I'm excited. So when you're getting all set up, of course, you have the phone mount. This top kind of twists, and you just twist and 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 twist until it fits your phone. Now what's really nice is, if you can see, these areas are super wide, so if you have a case on your phone, you should have no problem. My phone is the iPhone 11 Pro Max, and it's not going to have any issues whatsoever holding that. Alright, let's see if that's enough. Almost. And then once you get your phone in there, just tighten it down. And I think that's a little too tight. Just tighten it down, and it's good to go. So of course, the little hand grip, and for safety, you have the wrist mount. I'm not going to use the wrist mount today, but this goes in the bottom. Or what's really cool, it could go in the top if you want that, or it could go in the back if you want that. We're going to go just in the bottom. And this is the very basic setup of the Movo Video Kit 1. Alright, let's start putting more stuff on it. So I am going to use the cold shoe extender, because when I use this is how I want it set up. I'm going to go ahead and get my LED light, place it on the cold shoe, get my Movo VXR10, place that on the cold shoe. We're going to grab our TRS cable. Now remember, with the TRS, One side is going to have 3 lines, the other side is going to have 2 lines. The 2 lines go into the back of the microphone. And since I have an iPhone, the 3 lines have to go into a dongle and then into your phone. And now you have the perfect setup for vlogging. You have your LED light for when you're in darker situations. You have a high-powered shotgun microphone for audio, and you have a hand grip. And like I said before, on the front there's a level, so you can see if you're level at all times. And I mean, that's basically everything you need for vlogging. It's pretty awesome. Now, when I typically vlog, I know they say the best way to do it is to use your back camera, but when you're using your back camera, you're basically flying blind. And so I film mostly all of my vlogs with the front-facing camera, the selfie camera, and with the brand new iPhone 11 Pro Max. It shoots in 4K, and it is beautiful. Now, when I use this product, I actually don't really use this hand grip because I think it's just too small for my hand specifically. So I take it off and I pair it with a Joby GorillaPod. So when it's all said and done, it looks like this. And doesn't that look like the perfect setup? Now, and what's really cool is when you have something longer like this, you can extend it super far and you get some really awesome shots. Now I'm going to go over and switch to the Movo Video Kit 1. Now I am on the Movo Video Kit 1, and like, it is just an amazing product. The phone clamp, it is plastic, but it holds your phone so secure you don't have to worry about it falling or anything like that. I really love that the Movo Video Kit 1 actually comes with the Movo VXR10, because it is just, I can't praise that microphone enough. It is amazing. And when you're in low light situations, that LED light is just perfect. At the end of this, I will jump to nighttime so you can see just how bright that light is. It is battery powered. It is a self-containing battery, so you have to charge it. So make sure you do that. And it's just a micro USB cord that is provided. And it has 3 different modes: low, medium, high, and it is super, super, super bright. Now, right now, I am about, this is fully extended, I think. This is pretty close to my face. But again, this is with the Movo VXR10, and so the audio quality is just phenomenal. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and switch to no microphone, just so you can hear the difference. And this is me using the onboard microphone of the iPhone 11 Pro Max with no Movo VXR connected, just so you can see the difference between the two. I'm going to go ahead and switch back. So I'm back to using the Movo VXR10. And what's really cool about this whole setup, it is obviously the perfect vlogging setup, but what's really cool about this is you can actually get some pretty steady shots. So if you're into the more cinematic vlogs, like when you're getting B-roll and things like that, this is a perfect tool to help you with that, because you're able to get some super smooth video footage, which makes for perfect B-roll. Also, another really cool thing about all of the different quarter 20 mounts is you can mount it on a tripod. You can kind of do whatever you want, and there's 3 different areas. So if you want to mount the camera from above, if you want to kind of do anything, this is perfect for that. And like I said, the grips on the phone clamp are wide enough to where you can still have your phone case on it, depending on how thick it is. I just have a very basic case on mine, and it works perfectly fine. Did not have to remove it. So now we're going to jump into Future John, and I'm going to show you how powerful that LED light is. Hey everybody, here is Future Jonathan. As you can see, it is nighttime. It is completely pitch black outside right now, and I wanted to show you the difference between what it's like using no light whatsoever in a dark area to, let me flip this on. to using this LED light. Now what's crazy is this is the low power, and it is bright. So you have low, medium, and high. Like, you can see so much with this. Now, just like with the Smart Cine when I was talking about the ring lights, this is actually way more powerful than the ring light on the Smart Cine W1. You can legit use this to record not just people, but objects. Like, it's so bright, but it works so well. Like, we have a star on our shed. It just lights it up so well. I mean, it's a pretty decent distance away, and you can still see it. Like, this light is so bright, man. And again, this has 3 settings. So this is a full power, medium power, light power, or high, medium, low. Alright, so let's throw it back to past Jonathan to finish out the video. So that is the review of the Movo Video Kit 1. This is literally the ultimate vlogging setup. It's just a run and gun. Just go get some amazing footage, amazing steady footage with awesome quality audio, and it's great for low light situations with this LED light. So if you're looking to get this on Movo's website, this sells for $149. You get the phone clamp, the hand grip, the Movo VXR10 with all the different cables, the hot shoe extender, and the small LED light. All of that for only $149. That is amazing. So if this is something that you're interested in, and you're interested in getting into the whole vlogging game, and you kind of don't know where to start, and you don't know what equipment to start with, but you're wanting to start with your phone, I highly recommend getting this. And I'm going to go ahead and leave a link down to Movo's website. And I want to go ahead and thank Movo for sending this out to me to review for you all. They are an amazing company with some amazing products, and I can't thank them enough to take the time to send this product out to me so I can review them for you all. I'm super excited. And if you all have any questions about this product or about any other Movo products, go ahead and leave them in the comment section below. And don't forget to give this video some love with a thumbs up. And if you're new here, my name is Jonathan Bailey, and here on the Photog Experience, I like to give you tips and tricks on how to help improve your travel photography with some travel vlogs, cruise tips, and product reviews thrown in. So if this is something you're interested in, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to hit that bell notification button so you can stay up to date on all the videos that we post.